So we did the cross multiplication. We have an equation. Now, how do we solve this equation? Draw the river. Then what? Why?
Because we want to very well.
So we're going to rewrite this. So it's 7t equals 26. Then what? Where's your variable? Where's your variable? On the left. What operation do you see? What's the inverse of multiplication? What are we going to divide by? So when we divide, we have t equals, take 26 divided by 7. Oh, wait, hold on. Time up. I was on. You can do a couple things. You can have the answer of 26 over 7. That is an answer. You could have an answer of 3 and 5 over 7. That is also an answer. Or you could have the decimal as 3.714285 repeating. Any of those is correct answer. Okay? Are you ready to try another one? All right, let's see here. Yeah. So let's write down the problem. X, or the ratio of x to 4 equals 9 to 10. What was the first thing I did on the last problem? Cross products, which means we are going to do what? What math? Cross multiply. So what's your numbers are being multiplied? X. So we're going to multiply x and 10 and
4.
What is, and notice the way I do it is I always go with what's close. So what's 4 times 9? Equals, what's x times 10? Did you guys solve it from here?
Yeah.
What do you do?
You switch it. You do the regular.
Why do we want to switch it? Variable on the left has been helpful to a lot of you guys. Now what? Think of those equation questions I kept asking you guys. Huh? Why are we going to divide? And why do we want to do the opposite of multiplying? What will happen if we do the opposite of multiplication? Why do we want to? What happens when we divide? What happens if we divide by 10 right here?
You get the variable by itself.
That's why. So when I ask why do we divide? To get the variable by itself. So divide both sides by 10, you have x equals. What is one possible answer?
36.
Well, let's simplify that. We can go into both 36 and 10. What's 36 divided by 2?
Wait. 16.
More than 16? 18. What is 10 divided by 2?
5.
Isn't that simplified?
No.
It's possible answer. It is possible, but what I would do is actually get it to a decimal. So that would be 3.6. So how about this? Let's make it easy. Make it a decimal. On every single one, let's make them a decimal. Okay? Any questions? You ready to try some on your own? I'm going to give you 2. Student page.
We're going to have to do it.
Yeah, you will have homework today. Student page. Let's do the ratio of 2 to 34 equals 5 to y. Your second one will be 7 to 3 is equal to n to 21. Solve those two proportions. Yeah.
What is that
Which number?
number? The one above the two?
2. Oh, wait, this one?
Yeah.
7. 701. Or 702. Huh?
Is that an N?
N, yes, it's a variable. Yeah, if you guys want to write it out, as long as you have the correct numbers being multiplied. Okay, take it a decimal.
Is it two or we did, right? Already?
It's the exact concept. You write it down. When you have the denominator one, unless you're solving something.
What is that? Oh, 21.
N 713 That's perfect. Exactly what you need to do. So you try to do it just to make it. Try to do that and do it. And just put 5 What are you dividing by? What are you dividing by? 2. I divide it by 2. I want to see you put the 2. Now divide. That's 170 divided by 2. It's 170 divided by 2.
What's the other bandit?
Self-inflicted warning. There you go.
I'm done with it.
Are you doing homework now?
Huh? Okay. Well, I'm going to do another problem. This one's going to be a word problem, and yes, I'm going to make you write the words in your notes. When you solve, what should this one have equaled?
170.
Equals 85, because 170 was equal to 2y, so we had to divide by 2.
Oh, I thought it was 34 times.
Oh, I'm just doing the final answers. What does n have to equal?
49.
I watched everyone was setting it up until we corrected. The only mistake that we ran into is some of us did not divide the last step, so we fixed that, and someone didn't copy numbers quite correctly. So easy fixes. Okay. All right. So here's your word problem. The ratio of 7th grade students to 8th grade students in a soccer league is 17 to 23. If there are 200 students in all, how many are in the 7th grade? So I want you to write this word down. Copy. You guys got it down? All right. What do we need from this word problem? What's important? Does everyone agree we need 200 students? Okay. Anything else? Okay. Anything else? That's what it's asking, is how many are in the 7th grade. We also need to know that they are setting it up 7 to 8. Okay? So this is a word problem. It's slightly different. It won't, once we get it set up, once I show you the only difference there is, you'll know how to solve it. So we have 7th to 8th grade. 7th grade has 17. 8th grade has 23. We all understand that, right? It's wanting to know how many are in the 7th grade if the total is 200. So who has 200? Does the 7th graders have 200? Does the 8th graders have 200? So who has 200? Both of them together. So we're not going to put anything right here. That has to be left blank, because do we know how many are 8th grade? No. We're going to put 200 here. You can put whatever other variable you want for the 8th grade. But if we have 3 on this ratio, you need 3 over here. So we need a third one. How are we trying to total? So what is 7 plus 3? Huh? 10. Carry the 1. And what is 1 plus 1? Plus 2. Now which two groups are we going to look at? 7th grade, 8th grade total. Huh?
Total?
Do you want the total? Anything else?
Uh,
The seventh grade. Because it is asking how many are in the seventh grade. 17 out of 40 is equal to X out of 200. Can you solve it now?
Yeah.
Gives you a little bit extra and asks you to find a little bit extra. It is a word problem, so when you answer, don't forget to label. Label. You number two.
Right?
Mhm. Okay, so right, do you want to go on the left side or the right side?
Right.
Okay, so write it after the other table. Now it's 40 complex. 7. And what goes in between? Which X? So is the word problem as hard as you guys thought it would be? Why? What confused you about studying that? The first part, that's because of the total. So what you have to pay attention to, was it the word problem or this part that confused us? This part? So here's your keyword in the word problem. There are 200 students in all. That means you're going to have to add something because we knew the 7th, we knew the 8th. You just had to find the total. That's why if you're going to set it up, that's why I set up the way I did. 7th, 8th. The only thing I forgot to do is put total right here. Then you're going to match up the numbers. Would you like to try a second problem? You just don't want to write down the word problem, do you? What if I had you look it up in your book? Get your books. Get your books. Get your books.
who's the thing?
58, 59, 61. Three, two,
What pages?
1. 58, 59, 61. I want you to go to 59 Problem number 5.
What page?
59, guys, don't worry about stapling right now. I'd like to get you to understand it first. Page 59, problem number 5. Sheila mixed 3 ounces of blue paint with 2 ounces of yellow paint. She decided to create 20 ounces of the same mixture. How many ounces of yellow paint does Sheila need for the mixture? So what is Sheila doing? What activity is she doing right now?
She's mixing blue paint and
She's mixing blue and yellow paint. Can you guys agree with that?
yes.
Okay, how much blue paint does she have?
3 ounces.
And how much yellow paint?
2 ounces.
So we're going to put blue paint over the yellow paint. 3 ounces blue, 2 ounces yellow. You okay so far? That was easy? Can we all do that? Is that a problem? All right. Then we continue. She decides to create 20 ounces of the same mixture. So is that 20 blue or 20 yellow? Both. This is a mixture. This is both of them. Because it goes for both of these, you're going to put a third line. But is the 20 going to go here with the 3 and the 2? Or is it going to come to this side? To the other side. First, second, or third spot. So it's going to be 20 yellow, 20 blue. It's the last one. Always ask you, if you're struggling with that, that's why I do that. It's not to make you guys feel bad. It's to, it's 20 ounces. Is it 20 blue? No. Is it 20 yellow? No. Put total in. Or mix, or however you want to label that. Is it the 20 from the total? Yes. Well, if you need that, what's 3 plus 2?
5.
5. Okay. How many ounces of yellow paint does Sheila need for the new mixture? So do we want the blue? We don't even care about that. Do we want the yellow? So what should we put right here? What should you put right here? Do you know how many?
No.
So what do you put?
So extra variable.
Put a variable. There you go. 2 over 5 equals x over 20. Can you solve it now? All right. Will that help you know how to set those up? On which part?
On the middle one.
On which one?
The middle. Like where I was putting
Okay. It says she has 3 ounces blue paint with 2 ounces of yellow, right? So you know how we got this one? You know how we got that one? Do you understand how we got the 5? Okay, so you good with that one? On this side, she has 20 ounces of the same mixture. Here's your key word. It's mixture. Does that mean blue, yellow, or both blue and yellow? Both. That's how we need to put it on the total, or the both. Now the other one has to have a variable. Does it say anything about how much blue, total blue she has? Does it say anything about how much total yellow she has? Does it ask for one of them? So it didn't even ask for the blue, right? It does not care. The only reason we needed that blue was to get this total. That was the only reason we needed it. Okay? Yellow is what we're looking for. That's where you're going to put the variable. Does that help you out? Okay. Can you guys solve it?
Right.
Do you have to divide? Any point in any problem we've ever solved where you divide. But everyone's missing half point. You only told me the number, you never told me the label. You guys ready for homework? You guys need to be ready because I am giving you word problems on here because that's what you need the most practice on.
What we gonna do?
Obviously, you're doing 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
What page?
59, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right.
7,
Oh,
not 12,
11.
11,
I knew it.
9, 19,
9?
20,
That's it?
24, 25,
4, 5,
26,
37.
27, and 28.
Which problem?
It's 15.